Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Erika, and today we're going to be doing a king crab and lobster tails deshelled seafood boil. It's all soaked in special sauce, and it is some that have shells on it. That's just because it was a little hard to get that out. So let's get started eating. Let's do it. This food is so good today, y'all. Oh my gosh, it's like bomb. Spicy. It's good though. It's really good. I'm so happy right now. It is so good. Wow. Wow. Oh, that's hot. That is hot. It's king crab and a potato. I'm so full, y'all. Like, I was so hungry just now. And so hungry for the seafood boil because I haven't had one in weeks. That was good. Everything was so good today. Deshelled, king crab, lobster tails. I know you see some shells up here, but this was basically not in the shell. I just was scared to take it off because it looked like it was going to like fall apart, and I didn't want that to happen. But everything was good, y'all. Everything was so bomb. If you didn't know, I had COVID. I was so sick, y'all. Like, I was like, woke up one day and I felt like I was like paralyzed and I couldn't do anything. I was down bad, y'all, like real bad. So I thank God I'm better now. I just did whatever I had to do to get myself back together. I made sure I drank lots of tea. I drank pine needle tea. I took vitamins. I took medicine. Excuse me. I was doing whatever I had to do, moving around. I tried to move around. I was like getting so tired really fast. So I couldn't even record any of my videos because I couldn't stand up to cook the food really. I couldn't eat. I didn't have an appetite. So it was really, really hard, like having a schedule and then being knocked off that schedule because I had, you know, I was sick. So I missed you guys so much. I missed this food, y'all. Like, I haven't had any seafood the whole time. Like, so I was sick for probably, what, 2 weeks? And then after I was sick, I don't know if you guys, whoever had COVID, had the symptom, but after I was sick, my body was hurting really bad when I was sick. Like, while I was sick, for the first 4 days, my body was hurting really bad. And then it went away. And then after it went away, just one day, my leg and my hips and my pelvic and my buttocks area, it was all painful. Like, it was too painful for me to even go to sleep. It was painful for me. I couldn't hardly stand up. It was like my leg had just went numb. Like, my hips, my leg, my buttocks, it was all very, very painful. And I think it had something to do with me being sick. So I had to go to the hospital for that, and I couldn't really stand up long. I couldn't even sleep. I was crying, y'all, because I couldn't even go to sleep. That's how bad the pain was. So I just had like a whole challenging 2 weeks, week 2.5 weeks probably it was. I don't know how long it was, but I just had a challenging time these past few weeks. So I'm happy to be back and recording and have an appetite and see you guys. I missed you all so much. I thank you guys for the ones who emailed me, asked me how I was doing, inboxed me, left comments asking me how I was doing. I didn't really want to scare anybody, so I didn't really want to put it out there like just blast y'all and tell you I had it, but I did put it under a post, and I did say it on my Instagram because I know people were like, where are your videos at? You know, why aren't you recording? So that's what was up, y'all. I'm back. I know a lot of you were asking about sauce. I wanted to make sure I was fully not sick before I handle anybody's, you know, sauce and orders and stuff like that. I wanted to make sure it was all in my system. I wasn't sick anymore. So I will be able to restock soon. So make sure you head over to eatspecialsauce.com and sign up for the email alerts so that way you're notified. Because I'm not very sure exactly when I'm going to be restocked. But I'm just trying to take it easy, y'all, and just glide into one thing at a time, because it was really traumatic the last few weeks. I'm not lying to y'all. I'm not making any of this up. So I thank you guys for watching. I appreciate you all. I love you. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Hit the notifications bell so you know when I post a brand new video. Follow me on Instagram at EatingwithE. And if you want to follow the Eat Special Sauce, I always make notifications on that page too. If you want to follow that page so you can know when I restock. But make sure you sign up for the email list. That's very important because I send out a mass email letting you guys know that I am restocked. So I love you guys. I'm happy to see you. I'm happy to be better. Thank God. I appreciate you, and I will catch you guys on the next video. Until then, bye.